Hi guys, got my little stool in the middle greenhouse and plunked my derriere down in here. There's a bit more space in here. It's been intermittent with rain all week. It's been terrible. I've not had much, been able to work much outside. In fact, I've not been able to do any work at all. Bit of work in the greenhouse here. There's a lot of stuff what still needs to be done in the middle front greenhouse. However, I've not been able to do anything because I can't get it out. However, I have got a video for you. I've been working on it. It's been took 6 months to do. Well, it's only a minute a clip, if that. There's 6 clips: January, February, March, April, May, and June. And I pasted them all together. Added a bit of music, and basically, what you're going to see is how the plot has changed over the last 6 months. It's a video diary for me, basically, a visual video diary. And that's what I'm going to show you now. So this is the video. I hope you enjoy it. You'll see this greenhouse suddenly appear around about, I think it's about April-ish. Anyway, here it comes. So hope you enjoy it. So there we go, folks. That's what the plots look like over the last 6 months. We'll do another one from July up to December. I start thinking my bloody months then. That will come in more around Christmas. I say we keep these diaries we compare them with all the others that I've kept over the years. I mean, you don't need to do a video diary. You can do a picture diary, or you can just write it down on paper. But I find these are a lot easier. You look at something, you can see where you failed and where you haven't failed. Whereas you write about it, you've got to read like pages and pages of where you've messed up. And this sort of thing here, it's a damn sight easier to do. And that's why I do them. I'm working on a few other videos at the moment. Still struggling to get out there because of all the rain. It's like I say, it's not stopped. It's if it ain't the sun shining, the sun that's killing us. It's the bloody rain, and I don't want to take any more chances. I've still caught another bloody cold. I keep catching them. It's when I get wet, and then I don't dry off properly, and then I end up with a snotty nose and feeling like death warmed up. And it's not a good combination when you want to come down on your allotment and you want to work outside. It's pretty rough going. So anyway, I'm certainly not going to cause myself any more grief. So I've got a few more videos still to show you. We've got one where it's an how-to, and we've got another one where we've had a lot of maintenance done on a lot of work done on the allotments, and you're going to see excavators, dumper trucks, cement mixers, doing the roads, compost bays. There's all sorts of things going on, and I'm still working on that video, so that'll be coming up shortly as well. And then you've got the videos, all the updates on the plot. So this is why my plot's not been looking so good this year. Well, I don't think it's looked good. Everyone seems to think it's all right, but you know, ever the perfectionist. You know, you look at things, you think, well, I could have done that better, but I've not had the time to do it. So now we're coming to the end of all these different things that what we've been committed to. I've got more time on my plot. I'm going to try and get the potatoes. I still haven't got them potatoes in buckets. Can't believe I didn't put them in. But then again, what we've been working on, it's understandable. But we'll probably get some Christmas potatoes out of it at the end of it. I've got the buckets, I've got the potatoes, I've got the compost. I need to harvest my shallots, so you're going to see that in the next episode. Hopefully we'll harvest the shallots, and then I'll set the buckets with the potatoes in, get them ready. There's a whole host of things I've got to do. You get to see all that as well. So there's quite a few videos still in the pipeline, and they'll all be coming up very shortly. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment. Do you keep a diary? Do you keep a video diary? If you do, let me know. Last thing, hope you're all staying safe. I did watch the news this morning, and apparently Leicester's gone into lockdown because of this COVID's peak spikes again. So like I say, we're not out of the woods yet. So everyone out there, keep your distance, stay safe, and hopefully we'll see you back here some more next week. Anyway, I'm going to pour myself a cup of coffee, and got a few little bits and bobs to do down here before I go. So until next time, thanks for watching guys, and goodbye for now.